Here we go again. Everything that Samsung has done and achieved with the Galaxy S23 Ultra might go away if they decide to take this decision. The single reason why the Galaxy S23 Ultra is a massive success is because Samsung decided to kill the Exynos chip for their flagship phones and use the very best of Qualcomm, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But now, according to new rumors, the Exynos 2400 is very real and Samsung could be planning to potentially bring this back for their Galaxy devices. Yes, the nightmare could come back as Samsung announced their multi-year partnership with AMD to bring new AMD Radeon graphics to more Exynos processors in the future. Of course, we're talking about Exynos 2400 and beyond. Samsung, you don't have to do this because if this actually happens, it's going to kill all the hype for the S24 series because Exynos has always disappointed the customers. The big reason why Samsung wants to do this is once again to save money because they have to pay more to Qualcomm for their exclusive Galaxy chips. With all these rumors considered, people are forgetting that Samsung has a full-on agreement with Qualcomm, a multi-year deal which promises Qualcomm chips exclusively for the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series. And well, considering that agreement, luckily we now have more info coming from a trusted source saying that Qualcomm chips will indeed be used exclusively for the Galaxy S series at least for 2 years until Exynos is ready to take over, which means 8 Gen 3 will once again run the show, which is absolutely best for business and it's the best thing for customers. Hopefully Samsung will listen to their customers, and no matter how good the Exynos 2400 may be, it will not going to be used on the Galaxy S or the Z series. Instead, it will be utilized by other brands such as Google with their next year's Pixel lineup. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now, Samsung may actually be looking to bring a new design change on the Galaxy S24 series because they made a big move. We'll talk about it right after this. What if I tell you that you can mine your own crypto without buying any expensive equipment or paying ridiculously high electricity bills? Yes, a new project is here to change the game. The Greedy Machine, aka GoMining, is a state-of-the-art Bitcoin mining project. They've got a set of beautiful NFTs in the form of a real miner backed by real computing power from devices around the globe. You can either do solo mining where you just purchase an NFT and get your stable rewards daily, or you can do pool mining, which is like playing a game that consists of different rounds. The more a player clicks and participate, the more likely to find a block and get BTC rewards. Best thing about this project is that you can try them off for absolutely free. After choosing a test NFT, you will receive rewards in BTC. They'll be saved to your virtual BTC wallet balance and they will be credited within 14 days of the purchase of the test NFT. Best of all, if you use my special link in the description, you will get 10% discount. It's a limited time offer for only 2 weeks, so definitely check it out. Alrighty, Samsung Electronics has now hired a former chief design at Mercedes, Mr. Hubert Lee, who's now going to lead the MX design division. Yes, he will be looking over the design for the future Galaxy S and Z series, meaning we may actually see some meaningful design changes that will add more premiumness to Samsung's Galaxy S24 series and their upcoming Galaxy Z series. Not just that, Samsung is also looking to level up the display of the S24 Ultra. Rumor has it that Samsung might finally bring a 144Hz OLED display for the S24 Ultra specifically. Not only higher refresh rate, but it could also be the first ever phone to have a ultra dynamic range display that Samsung showed off back at CES 2023. As perfect the Galaxy S23 Ultra is, there will be a lot to look forward to when it comes to the S24 Ultra next year. As always, Samsung, please don't do this. You have to listen to the customers, and Exynos needs to stay dead until it can come back with the new branding in 2025. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.